Mate value then is a predictor of infidelity intentions. So, Buss and Shackelford suggest that individuals with greater mate value than their long-term partners are more likely to report an intention to commit an infidelity. This suggests a positive relationship between mate value and infidelity, and mate value and infidelity opportunities. So if it's kind of funny to me. Why would you feel like first of all, you believe you are a high value mate, right? Okay, then why are you getting with a long-term partner who is not high value mate? Because why would you need to cheat with someone just because your long-term partner is not high value mate? Because you are basically suggesting that you are too high value in order to remain faithful to your long-term partner, that you intend to commit an infidelity. Okay, then why don't you get out of the relationship and pursue a high value mate so that way you won't have to cheat? I just think that's just very interesting, that the way people process, their rationale for cheating.